Hello, Puppetji here, and I'm in Chicago. Hello, everyone. Yes, Puppetji here. I made it. All in one piece. Fantastic flight. Very easy. And I get to my room here, and I'm like, did I overpack? So crazy, because when I was home, I'm thinking, I'm forgetting something. Did I not bring enough things? And then I get here and I think I'm overpacking. Anyway, something interesting happened on the day in which I left. Here I share a picture with you. This is a little chrysalis of a butterfly that is probably now flying. And I noticed this on the day I'm leaving. Every day back and forth from my house to the studio, and I don't see this thing. This beautiful transformation happening right before my eyes, right under my nose. And then I see this little empty chrysalis shell on the day I'm leaving. Doing something new. Stepping out of my comfort zone into the concrete jungle. You know what I mean? I'm out here in the wild. Well, not yet. I'm still in my room, but I'm going to go out there. I promise you. We're going to do some fun things here in Chicago. Yes. So I'd really like to namaste, but I got to namago outside. So you, my friends, go get the day. I'm going to get it too. Maybe another slice of pizza. Okay. We see you soon. Ciao.